Go.
I got the school spirit. Summer is over. My first day is here. I got the spirit to start the new school year. I slip on the spirit in my new shiny shoes. I fill up my tummy with the spirit, sunny side up. I pack my book bag with the spirit. I see the spirit driving up the street. I share the spirit with the new friend next to me. I breathe into the spirit to calm my nerves. In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3. I wait for the spirit to call my name. We sing the spirit loud and clear.
A, B, C, 1, 2, 3.
I pass the spirit over to a friend. I kick the spirit high up in the air. I listen as the spirit reads a story. Once upon a time, I jump when the spirit splits the air. I feel the spirit in a big old hug. The school spirit helps us all strive and grow. I can't wait to see what I'll learn tomorrow.